Hello everyone, this is Taro Rani and today we are going to look forward into card number 1 of the series from Major Arcana, which is the Magician. We will look into its numerological aspect, we will look into the picture and understand it, we will also look into the meaning of it. In the second half of the episode, we will look forward to alphabet A and its meaning if your name starts with it. The later half or the end of the episode will be with our traditional auntie. Card number 1 of the Major Arcana is the Magician. Like its name, it has nothing to do with magic tricks, but it's much more than that. It ensures success in all aspects of life, whether it is relationship, your personal life, whether it is your professional life, etc. Now let's go into the picture of it. There's a man, or say the magician, who is standing behind a table. On the table, there are 4 objects placed. There's a coin, which indicates finances. There's cups, which indicates love or emotions. There's wands, which indicates growth. And there's swords, which indicates actions. So placing this in front of him says that he has everything above him or everything whichever life requires in front of him placed in his hands. When you see there's a scroll in his hands which signifies power or authority. There's an infinity symbol on his head which says there's a continuity or there's a momentum going on in work and life. Now let's look into the numerological aspect of this card. The number inscribed on the card is number 1. Number 1 is a symbol of creation, the beginning, creativity and skills. As per this card goes, people who are born under dates 1 or any of the totals of 1 will fall into this card and this card will be ruling your life. When it comes to your leadership skills, yes, you will be on the top. This card indicates that you will be the possessor of leadership and skills. The magicians have the power to turn their dreams into reality. The magicians are pure charmers and they know how to get their work done. The only flip side of being a magician, which is number 1, is that you will be able to manipulate. You'll be tempted to manipulate people and things around you. So you have to be aware that you are thinking very clearly while deciding anything. When it comes to the ruler, the sun is the ruler of number 1. So there's a bit of anger and aggression when it comes to number 1 and the followers of number 1. Now let's go ahead and see into the reading and relationship aspect of this card. If this card comes up and the question is about your professional life, then yes, you will be surrounded with success and valuable people. When it comes to your workplace, you will be placed at the top and will be leading something. But this infinity sign also suggests that there will be multiple things going around in this person's life. So you have to be assured that you are prioritizing your work properly. The alphabet for today's episode is alphabet A. As A is the beginning, it indicates flow, independence, starting or beginning of something. So people whose name starts with A are very good thinkers. They are the creators. They start something. They start a process or they start a new project very quickly. These people are possessors of intelligence and they are very studious. They concentrate their life in making things better for them. They are good as partners. They like flirting, but they have a very less patience for people who are flirting with them. They are very sure that they want somebody who is attractive in personality and they choose partners accordingly. Growing up with auntie was a challenge, but it was also a pleasure. I learned all the traditions from a very early age. But yes, let's look into this particular tradition auntie is talking about. Touring कोई फैशन की चीज नहीं, ट्रेडिशन है ट्रेडिशन. Toe rings. Toe rings are the symbol for married women, but there is a science behind it. That is why I am here for telling you all the details. Toe rings are usually worn on the second toe. The second toe is connected to the uterus and it passes to the heart. Now, wearing the toe ring tight on the second toe kind of regularizes the blood flow, which also helps in the menstrual cycle. Why silver? Silver is a good conductor and it passes the polar energy from the earth to the body and thus helping the body. So this was the scientific behind the toe rings, and yes, now you'll be happy to follow this tradition. This was all from Tarot Rani today. Hope you're liking my episodes because there will be a lot of them coming and we are gonna discuss all the cards in details like we did today. If you want to know more about me, please go ahead and like my Facebook page. And yes, if you're liking the episodes, I'm sure you have already subscribed the channel. Please do not forget to like and share it with your friends.